Hi. So in Edsby classes and groups, one of the things that users can do is they can report content as inappropriate. So we're going to take a quick look here at how, as a school principal or administrator, you can review content that has been reported as inappropriate and what you can do with that. So real quickly, we're going to log in here as a school principal. And what you'll notice when we get connected is that in our office Zoom, we've got a notification. So somebody has sent in something to the office letting us know that needs our attention. When I open that up, we'll see that here, sure enough, we have somebody named Palmer who is reporting a video that they believe might be inappropriate. So they've gone in, they've explained they think this video is graphic and disturbing, and we should do something about it. So as the administrator, I might want to know who this student is, so I can hover over this person's name. I see that, in fact, this is a grade 8 student. Maybe I even want to send a message back to them, and that's all right. And if I want to, I can look at this content. I can watch the video right here in line. And if I agree that, in fact, this is inappropriate, there is a link right here in the corner that says delete. Now, when I choose to delete this, I'm removing it from the original location where it was posted. So if this was posted in a class or a group, we'll remove it from the class or group. It will not, however, remove the record that it was reported as inappropriate. So I'm going to go ahead and tell it I want to delete the original post, and this pulls it out of, in this case, the classroom where it was originally posted. But here in the office administration feed, we do keep it here so that we know that, in fact, it was posted by Mr. Lambert and Palmer reported it. So that's all well and good. Scrolling down, we've got another report here of something inappropriate. In this case, our buddy Palmer marked as inappropriate an essay that his teacher had posted. And the comment here is he's saying that asking students to write papers is a violation of our personal freedoms. This one I might disagree with, right? So rather than deleting this from the feed, from the class, in this case, what I might want to do is, number one, I might want to send Palmer a message and say, no, in fact, our teachers have the right to assign homework. But then I might also just remove this from the office administration queue by using the X here in the corner. So this simply removes the report. It does not remove the original content. So using the X there, it's going to prompt me to remove the post from the feed, and I'll say remove, and now it's gone and we're all set. All right, thank you.